Welcome back, friends, to a complete boot camp on Python. This is Vipin from Learning Real. In this session, we'll be learning about setting up the Python environment. And of course, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Learning Real. What you can expect from this video, rather I would say objectives of this particular module: downloading Anaconda and its installation, finally checking whether we have done the installation correctly or not. To begin the installation, let's visit www.anaconda.com/product/individual and hover over the downloads link. Please note that the look and feel of the website might vary as they keep updating the website. So you should see a button for downloading the latest version of Python, as you see on the screen. You have three choices here as an operating system for Anaconda. In our case, it's going to be Microsoft Windows 64-bit graphical installer. So click on the Microsoft Windows 64 installer link, which should automatically start downloading the correct installer for your system. So after you have downloaded the file, run the installer by double-clicking on the Anaconda 3-2020.07 Windows x86_64.exe file from the download location, and then click Next. So installation is pretty easy. Accept the license agreements and just follow the prompts and click Next. So you may choose just me here and click Next, as you are only going to use this installation for the time being to learn Python. So choose the installation location. I would say just leave it as the default location unless you really want to change it. Make sure you select the option Add Anaconda 3 to the path, which will make it easier to configure your system correctly. As this is the first installation of Python in your system, no need to worry about the warning which shows up in red in color. Click Install. You may choose show details as it progresses along the installation, and you can see that the installation is kicked off, and probably you need to wait for some time to get it complete, and it can take some time, depends on your system and capabilities. So once the installation is done or completed, click Next, click Finish. If you wish, you may leave those checkboxes on to bookmark the tutorial and more about Anaconda. Otherwise, just uncheck and click Finish to make the installation as completed. Great job! Now you have installed Anaconda. Python environment is all set, and in environment variables as well. So now it's time for us to check the installation, whether it's completed successfully, and we can launch the application. So what do you need to do in terms of validating the software? Click on the Start menu and look for Anaconda Navigator, which I highlighted in red in color here. And then click on that particular Anaconda Navigator option, and that will pop up or bring up the application for you. And you can see as it appears on the screen, you can uncheck if you don't want to send some of the information to Anaconda as you work along with the application. I have left it checked for helping Anaconda to improve on their application. So that's it, and see you soon in the next video. A big thanks to you for watching this, and continue learning this as I progress updating these videos for you. Hope you will find it useful. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.